You took out the gravestones, but you left the bodies. My daughters, you have a nice day. Caught them butterflies real quick. I was off guard. I didn't know what angle I needed to put my head at. But I realized that it's easier to catch the butterflies in the eyes from back here. You know what I mean? It's really something special. Make sure you guys follow me. We're blowing up. TikTok's finally put me on the front page. This is drinking the rest of a soda with ice cubes in the cup. ASMR. Did that make anybody thirsty? Then it worked. You know what I mean? Who ate the mods? There's mods here? I didn't know that. Thought I got rid of all the mods. Anybody ever see me on Ridiculousness? Looking for that episode. Changed my name. This guy's so funny, man. I don't know what it is with some of you people. Oh, man. Too funny. Number one ASM. Sorry, I know. Appreciate it, B-Monster. Appreciate it. Oh. Seen the clip around 95 times. Which one? Oh, hey. LA Beast here. Have a nice day. What's up? It's Joey Superfood Reviews. I'm back. Hello. I'm running on empty. Here, another food review. Do the dishes. Mom, I'm making a video. This is a new edition. What up, you two? This is Barrel here, right here. Let's get on here. Appreciate it. I'm going Burger King with the crown too small. Yee-hoo. Is somebody counting all the way to 1,000 again? 159. Do you guys see that too? When people gift, they show how many people gift, right? I'm going Burger King. It's always going to Burger King. I like the mustache. That's a nice one too. The mustache is funny. Used to watch me 10 years ago. What happened? You got a life. I hear you, bro. Fire Marshal Bill. Yee-hoo. Haven't had a ticket geek out in a while. Really appreciate that. Appreciate it, Mrs. Mitchell. Yeah, I mean, should I put the mustache or ghost? There's a ghost. I've never seen the ghost. I do the mustache. What's the ghost? I don't think I've ever seen a ghost. I mean, appreciate the balloons. P-Monster. The Drip Lord's in here. That dude's dripping like a faucet. You got a leak, we'll take a peek. We don't talk like that in here, dude, alright? Now you gotta go into schmute. That's when Shoenice mutes you. Some people just come in every day to say, yeah, Shoenice noticed me again. It's weird, man. You know what I mean? If anybody wants to do a cheers with me, just get that beer mug emoji up, and I'll give you a cheers in the comments. Why is it lower now? Gotta slide down like this. That's not the right one. Nom, 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 nom. I'm going Burger King. Give me a taco. Ew. Appreciate it. Is that the top gifter? Can you guys see what ranking you are as gifters? Can everybody see that? The drip lord. We used to be roofers, and our motto was, you got a leak, I got a company that was named Nice Roofing. Fire Marshal Bill, put the fireworks out. Haven't done a fireworks geek out in a while. Oh, we did one this morning. Appreciate it, B-Monster. Appreciate it. I knew there'd be a real shifter in here. Now we got two of them. B-Monster and Mitchell. I'm Tom Cruise. I'm rich, but I'm still 5 foot. Anybody see the new Top Gun movie? Goose, I guess, was never dead. He landed on an island like Tom Hanks in the movie Castaway. He actually ran into the ball, Wilson. That ball played in the movie Top Gun. That was the irony of it. Crazy. Oh, you seen it? Tom Cruise has hand heart coming at you from the top taco. The top taco with the top taco. I'm gonna have to go with the chicken nugget taco from Taco Bell. I don't do any other kinds of tacos. Is it Del Taco? Or some kind of a taco was good. Didn't have chunks, it was like meaty. Del Taco or taco something. Appreciate it. This is the first time in a long time. I haven't done a gold coin shower geek out in a long time. That's the Blue Crane geek out. We got a gift train going down like no other. This is way better than this morning. No disrespect to anybody from this morning. I mean, appreciate it. This is the first time my birthday is hitting like on a holiday. That holiday is the Monday right now. My birthday is always the 30th, but it's usually like the third weekend of every month. You notice what I'm saying? Hello, is there anybody in there? Just as ice cubes. How's everybody doing? Let's see, 122 people in here. I'm acting like it's nap time. You guys all remember me from even now. Well, we got a new song around here, and it goes a little something like this. Tick-tock, tick-tock, everybody loves TikTok. Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, who? Head back to TikTok and watch the shoe. Nice that is. Game page. Who's got the Rangers tonight? Who wants the Rangers to win? Who thinks Lightning's gonna take it all? Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. What happened? Last thing I remember, I was rambling on. Then I kept rambling on. Like the song Led Zeppelin sang back in the day. Ramble on. You know what I mean? Sing my song. I've been around the world. I'm going on my way. 10 years to this day, I want to ramble on. Oh, I appreciate it. Anything, yeah, go Lightning. You know, who cares about the Rangers? It's all about the dynasty of the Tampa Bay Lightning. Who thinks they're going to win just because they got skill and you're not a fan? Somebody just got a universe. Those universes are for crypto-rich people. We only just draw. Where are we at now? Where was that sign from? We all the way into Texas or something? That was beautiful. B-Monster with the double car. So who's the top 3 people right now for gifting in the stream? Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Bueller? Bueller? Anybody? Too funny. Get in the mute, dude. Oh, man. He's getting rent in the cheeseburger today. Dude's nice. Rent's already paid. I made sure of that. You know what I mean? Somebody just got a universe. Why is that doing that? I'm not really talking to you. I'm just typing in because your ad came up. There's my face. There's my face. Have a heart. What are you talking about, dude? I told you, you know, you're in here trolling my chat. And it's not going to happen anymore, Jacob. ... I don't know what I'm going to do with you, dude. You know what I mean? I am in fact in Texas. Are you the top gifter right now, B-Monster? Are you in the top gifter right now, B-Monster? Say the name. Is that the little drummer boy? Na hoo hee hoo hee hoo hee 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 hee. And then the Grinch looked down the hill and said, "Why are these people happy?" That wasn't the Grinch. That was Joker on mushrooms. We had it. You gotta go like this. Gonna put the eyebrow like this, then do the Joker. I guess we're gonna have to bring the presents back to him. Jack Nicholson should have played the Grinch, not Jim Big Ear Carrey. Can't handle the truth, Batman. Don't you think so? I think Jack Nicholson would have been a better one. Oh my God, I remember you. No way. How's it been? Over Ozzy. It's been years. Are you the top? You're the top gifter. You're definitely the top gifter, right, B-Monster? I wish I could see the list. Shouldn't I be able to see a list of the top gifters? Oh, somebody just got a universe. So the gifts where you can see me twerk, that's the lion, the Sunset Speedster, or the Universe. Then I get up in the chair and twerk. Real fans bought a cameo for Shoe's birthday. I know, right? This person's one of the most smartest people in the chat, if not the world. Oh, that had to have hurt so bad. Ooh. Sorry, I'm watching ridiculousness. Am I bald? Not if I didn't want to be. You know what I mean? I'm like Hank Schrader. Huh. Hey, Shoenice. Happy birthday. That's got 51,000 views on it, actually, on my channel. Somebody just gotta look at that universe up there. I guess the person that said they were gonna give me a universe was only kidding. Unless he just doesn't realize it because it's the holiday. They look like holiday people. You know what I mean? Go to sleep. What do you mean go to sleep, dude? I did have a bad headache, so I had to take some Tylenol PM. You know what I mean? Sleep it off till the hockey game. And then we'll stream the hockey game live here. I'll be the commentator. And somebody hit the puck. Oop, the puck went that way. Here comes the puck back. Here's the puck. Here's the puck. Puck, 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 puck. We gotta fight. We gotta fight. Oh, break it up. Break it up. How do they decide how long two guys fight on the hockey rink? You know, when do the refs say, all right, I've had enough? You know, it's weird. Never understood that. Or the rules for it, you know what I mean? Day's going really, really, really good. Not it wasn't the goal I was shooting for, but I'll take it, you know what I mean? And cameos and everything else. Wait, are you not Hank Schrader? We don't want anybody to know about that. So I think I'm going to be a hockey commentator a couple hours, guys. The Rangers against the whoever they are. Who were they again? Could you still hear me? Yes, we can wait for... It went away. I don't even know how I did it. Hey, is there anybody out there? I'm tapping the screen. Oh, I want the blue. Oh. Everybody, I'm getting face. Hey man, my name's Frankie. You guys seen the alien ship? Hey man, I don't like your attitude. Hey, what's up, mate? Chewing? Am I a thumb? Is that what I am? Is I my thumb? I must be a thumb. People always said I look like a thumb. I don't think I look like a thumb. What's everybody doing? That was pretty trippy. My sleep paralysis demon. You think that's scary? I'll show you something scary, and we will visit you tonight. Game face. I'm just going to try and sit here like a unicorn. That's all I'm going to do. So I was out back eating some hay, right? Somebody yelled, "Hey." And I said, "Real funny." You know what I mean? Sometimes I just want to walk through a drive-thru and say, "Rah, rah." Got me some new shades the other day. And I said, "Why not?" I don't know where these piercings came from, but I'm going to find out real quick. I like this one too. I think I just cracked my neck. Sick. Nice. We should market these things. Can somebody screenshot all these, send them off to Kodak? Appreciate it. Might as well do the new trivia questions for the day. What is up with the left side of the screen? If anybody that watches all the time was ever on Jeopardy or something, one of these were the questions, you'd be cracking up. Appreciate it. Christmas in July. It's beautiful. Appreciate all the gifts, B Monster and Mitchell. What's this one? The bling. Trent. No. Man, this DJ's pretty cool, huh? Man, anybody see where that cigarette went? Jonesing for some nicotine. You know what I mean? Throw some more paint on me. Tron. Is this Tron? It's using the Corvex as I make music with my fingertips. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. That's beautiful. It's absolutely amazing what they got going on down here now. I remember when there was only a few of them. You know what I mean? This guy's always hit me on the head. It hurts. Hey, how you doing? Joey Super. Gotta do it quick. Gotta go quick. I don't know what that is. We already did that one. Couldn't figure out what was going on inside. Everybody just started singing the song. I don't know if you people realize this, but Shoenice did not start YouTube. It was me and Freddie. So I ate Shoenice, and I'm coming back strong. Coming back real strong. Nobody can touch tonight. 1306. This is a new one. What the heck just happened there? It's like I got. What the heck was that thing? That was crazy. They're not lying, they have earthquakes out here in California. This is the twerk. It's the twerk. Man, I get you dizzy. I get you dizzy, man. Is that new? I've never seen that before. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the party. Good question. What is under the hat? That's like one of the oldest questions there. Nobody even cares anymore. You gotta ask that in the Q&A. Let's see if we can find somebody to hang up on.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, it would be my honor for my birthday present from you to hang up on you. Is that okay? He's such a nice guy. Took time out of his day to answer my call. Good guy, man. Good guy. Happy birthday to me. The soft, nice birthday. That's good right there, man. I thought I was good. What do you want me to speak about? Huh? What do you want me to speak about? 3.14 pi squared. I don't like pie. Chocolate cream pie is good, though. Know what I mean? Who even are you? I know, right? Exactly. Who am I even? Shoenice. Where did this dude come from? Oh, that was one of the best comments of the week. I'm LA Beast. I'm going to the fair. That was killing me. Appreciate it, Mr. Barricade. Mr. Barricade. That's another annoying song. Anything new Metallica. I don't like it anymore. Yeah, I can't spam on Snapchat anymore, so there's no reason to be there. It's not like I was hanging out and being friendly. So many people think that I block them. I wish Snapchat said, he didn't block you, he quit, you know? It's the most annoying thing about leaving 2 Snapchats with 10,000 people. How much are cameos? $14,562. We got a payment plan though, like, you know, a used car. Am I crying? I just wanted a universe today. That guy promised me a universe and he just walked away. Hopefully he comes in tomorrow and says, oops, sorry, I forgot. See that universe? Somebody just got a big gift. That was weird. Don't cry, here's a rose. Don't cry, I'm gonna schmooch you so you can't talk anymore. Bye-bye. That dude with the dots, does anybody else agree with me? He's annoying in chats all the time. Just so you know, I gotta sit over here to see my face. Dots going through. What the heck is going on? Oh, that hurt. You agree with what did I say? I don't remember 2 seconds ago. I do apologize. Your vids made me laugh when I was younger. So glad you're sober now. Appreciate it, Logan. You still alive? Oh, you can tell when I'm on FYP. All these people come in talking about me. Singing do a diddy diddy dum diddy do. Yeah, she was just walking down the street. There she was, or there he was? There she was. I never seen a chick walking down the street singing do a diddy diddy dum diddy do. I'm just saying. Sober, never, dat. Is that new lingo? New words? Never, dat. Why am I banned from seeing the live? I don't know. It's not my problem. I can see it. You know what I mean? I can see it. How could you type in I'm banned from seeing the stream and you're typing in the stream? You know what I mean? Yo, I'm glad I found you on here. The feeling isn't mutual. I'm just kidding. Good to see you. I've been around on here for a while though. Follow my bro. He's got heavy metal IPA beers. That metal guy, go follow him. He's my cousin on my stepmother's side, but we grew up together, so you know what I mean. Remember, so there's no joke, man. There's no joke. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Hated that song. Scorpions were terrible. They sucked live. They sucked on albums. You know what I mean? You gotta keep posting that metal guy. Because one of these days you're going to hit that one that goes viral. And then I can't share really on here. Really, I don't know where. You know, there's not really like stories or anything. So you got to keep coming in here and keep making videos. Like make a video of something funny like a dog jumping in a pool or... I had a house party one time. I was so drunk. I put on a raincoat. I poured a pitcher of beer on my kitchen floor. And then I laid on the ground and I pretended I was swimming in a pool of beer. This party was nuts. They called the cops. That across the street was a retired chief of police. And after we moved out, he went over and told my father all the stuff me and my brothers did when he was away. But we had a skylight in the window. It was like a flat skylight on the roof. And my buddy was up there and he was giving us the moon. And the cop walks in the kitchen and he's sitting. He looks up and my buddy's sitting there mooning everybody sitting on the skylight. He's like, tell your buddy to get down. They drove my Volkswagen Bug in first gear at like 45 miles an hour with like 5 people in it. Burned the clutch right out. They destroyed my house. Some of the toughest guys on the varsity football team apologized to me the next day. No, I don't know who Sam Hyde is. Why do you keep asking me that? Wait, is that one of them trick questions? Shoot. Sam Hyde, he's not. You just never know with the day and age, you know what I mean? People always trying to do them Bart Simpson tricks. You know what I mean? You got your pen, you got your mics. You didn't even spell Bofa right. That's Bafa, dude, when you use 2 F's. Doesn't make any sense now. Appreciate it. Did you go to SawCon this year? I heard SawCon was really good. Tickets were cheap. Real cheap. So did this guy send me the lion? The guy that came in. Whoever comes in acting all nice, hey, tell me what gift you want. They've never gifted, they never will. It's a troll. You know what I mean? Been there, done that. I've been watching your video since 2004. Now there's a realistic comment. About 8 years ago. It's when that story came out and you left me for 8 years. You just didn't watch my videos. I was like, why is this guy doing this to me, man? You know what I mean? The audacity. Alright, guys. I think we'll take another break. Get some liquid into my cotton mouth. And we'll come on back with the whole